But, oh my beloved mommy and daddy, here is the to-do list. Do this. Talk to their children about Ramadan. Talk to your children about Salah. Talk to your children about Zakah. Talk to your children about Dua. Talk to your children about remembering Allah. Talk to them. Take their questions. Let them ask you questions about Islam. Encourage them to worship Allah. Encourage them to worship Allah. Encourage them. You can do it, my son. You can do it, my daughter. You can do it. Let's go. Speak to them about Jannah. Speak to them about the reward. I just spoke to you about Jannah. Speak to them about the hellfire. Speak to them about the purpose of life. And finally, be the example. You should be example for your kids. You should be the role models for your children. I fast because my mommy and daddy fast. I pray because my mommy and daddy, I see them praying. I read Quran because I see my mommy and daddy reading Quran. How many children they said my mommy and daddy don't read Quran at home? I've never seen them reading Quran. No, Brother Hassan, no? Why not? Make dua in front of your children. Remember Allah in front of your children. Seriously. And subhanallah, teach them to remember Allah Azza wa Jal. To say astaghfirullah, to say la ilaha illallah. Whatever remembrance is beloved to your children, let them say it. Oh, we're not done. What else? Praise them. You see that to-do list is bigger. Praise them for complying. Oh, my son, you're so good. You prayed today, mashallah. You fasted today, Allahu Akbar. You are strong. You are an example for other children. I am proud of you. I love you. Allah loves you. And do worships together. My son, I am fasting with you today. Today we're going to pray Dhuhr together. Today we're going to go to masjid together, oh my son. Mommy, encourage your daughter. Oh, my daughter, we're going to pray Isha together. We're going to pray Maghrib together. Come, let's go make wudu together. Go help them. Don't say, go do wudu now, or else. We're talking about what else, not or else. Do worship together. Recite Quran together. Fast together. Give sadaqah together. And look at the last one. Guys, what's the last one? Get them gifts. Wallahi, if your son fasted one day, at the end of the Ramadan, give him $10. If he fasted 2 days, $20 at the end of Ramadan. 30 days, $300. They deserve it, no problem. This is their Eid gift. This is their Eid gift. $300 a year is not bad. If they fasted 30 days, they deserve $300. Yes. Yes. Oh, listen. If one of your sons fasted 30 days, give him $300. If your other son fasted 20 days, give him $200, not $300. Let the other son know, I got $200. My brother got $300 because I fasted 10 days less. Yes. 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 Tell your children, I love this child more because he prays more than you. Yes. Connect your love with the worship of Allah. I love the one who worships Allah more. The one who fasts more, I love him more. The one who prays more, I love her more. The one who remembers Allah more, I love them more. Yes. Connect your love with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Shh. Get them gifts. Encourage them with salah. Encourage them with zakah. in sadaqah. Encourage them with Ramadan. Yes, we have to do this. My brothers, what I just shared with you are gems that you probably never heard in your life. But I'm telling you this because I've been imam for 15 years. I've been dealing with children and parents for 15 years. I'm giving you the gems. Do not lose them. Oh, that's it.